Hi, my name is Mackenzie Ball. I am currently unrepresented, and I'm going to be performing I've Seen Pubic Hair by McLean and McLean. I was eating me a burger in a dirty, greasy spoon cafe when an old man beside me, he turned to me and he said, "Hey, what's that pubic hair doing on your bun?" I said, "I don't really know, man. Are you really sure it's one?" He stood up on the counter and said, "Now look here, Blair, I've been all across this country and I've seen pubic hair. I've seen great ones, straight ones, uninterrelated ones, long ones, strong ones, literally long ones, red ones, dead ones, find them in your bed ones, black ones, brown ones, little lucky brown ones, short ones, thick ones, long ones, thick ones, long ones, short ones, long ones, long ones. I've seen pubic hair, man. I've seen pubic hair, man. Even got my share, man, beneath my underwear, man, sticking out here and there, man. I've seen pubic hair. I've seen bushy ones, double get your bushy ones, save ones, slave ones, floating in the gravy ones, neat ones, pretty ones, floating in your booty ones, sweet ones, neat ones, on the toilet seat ones, heifer ones, river ones, catch 'em in the zipper ones, blowing ones, short